everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will film a little clean with me. I'm just finished showering, so I'm looking a little bit like a mess, but that's okay. I'm just going to clean. So I will clean the upstairs area, just some vacuum and taking everything off, and I'm feeling motivated. So I hope I can motivate you too. But first, coffee. Let the magic begin. Also, the dishwasher broke and I'm so sad. I mean, the dishwasher was my savior. I mean, I hate doing dishes by hand, so. But there is a new one coming on their way and I cannot wait. He must be today. It must be today, but I'm not sure. So I hope it will be today so I can use it this evening. I am so tired of doing the dishes. So dishwasher broke off, but that's okay. Also, Simba's here. He's just getting his lunch, but it's already empty. Oh, that little monster. And the coffee is almost ready. Coffee. Okay, let me enjoy my coffee. And then I will start cleaning. Well, I have my first cleaning supplies right here, so let's tackle the bathroom. Please don't freak out, but it is so necessary. I will turn up the light because this is horrible. It is necessary to have a clean. It's so freaking dirty. Everything needs to be cleaned, so let's start. That's that. Tomorrow I will be cleaning the downstairs area because the dishwasher is in the middle of the living room, and tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, the new dishwasher is here, so the kitchen looks like a kitchen again and I can tackle the whole downstairs area. And I guess I will put it in a vlog or something, so you can see it if you want, but it is not necessary. So yes, that's it. Please let me know if there is any video you'd like to see from me, because I am desperate to know things. I guess I'm gonna vlog more especially the cozy ones at home, because I live in the Netherlands and Netherlands summer isn't that amazing. Of course we have some good days, but especially today it is rainy and it's so dark outside, so I feel cozy and I want to share that feeling with you guys. So I will be vlogging more and give you some tips and tricks about my anxiety and stuff, and that's something I can do. If there's anything else you want to see, please let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye!